On the behalf of BISP, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. What the country needs at the moment is unity. Because we cannot, I think, afford any more fragmentation. The fragmentation that has taken the country and the division that is there, this is the time to unite, to come back as a whole, to start acting as a whole, as a country and as a nation. And today that reminds me of a slogan that we have, and it's known to everyone, that is Charo Subo ki Zanjeer, Beinazir, Beinazir. Because she was the unity, she was the symbol of the federation. For malice, I would translate it that we used this slogan that Beinazir Bhutto was the chain that put all the provinces together, and now in the form of BISP, we can play the same role. Just as she united the provinces under one vision, today we carry forward her legacy by building the chain that links our federal and provincial data systems. This integration is not just technical, it is rooted in our vision, in her vision of a connected, inclusive and equitable Pakistan, where every province can access the information it needs to serve its people better. Together we will strengthen the link between National Socio-Economic Registry, that is the NSCR, and other BISP program registries, insights and programs that build anticipatory and adaptive capacity. Considering we have the registry at the federal level, it becomes our responsibility to ensure that the provinces and regions have timely and equitable access to the data they need to plan, design, and deliver impactful programs. At BISP, we take this responsibility with commitment. Through our NSCR and other beneficiary registries, we stand ready to lead and support you with comprehensive and actionable data. Through this resource-rich platform, we would like to enable federal and provincial actors to identify and reach the right people at the right time and with the right interventions. This is for the provinces, whether you are designing a skill development initiative, a climate resilience program, or a targeted subsidy, BISP data offers the foundation for the evidence-based decision-making. Our mechanisms for secured, standardized, and demand-driven data sharing are mostly in place. But we also believe in continuous improvement through collaborative support with our development partners. These systems are being evolved further to integrate new indicators and response to the emerging risks and enable faster program rollouts. Today, the Social Registry houses socio-economic information on early 90s of Pakistan's population, almost nearly 90% of Pakistan's population. This is not just a number, it is a strategic asset for enhancing the anticipatory and adaptive capacity of households. By using this data, provinces can do the following, which I will explain in detail. They can anticipate shocks by identifying households most vulnerable to economic downturns or climate events. Adopt responses by tailoring interventions that protect livelihoods, strengthen social safety nets, and provide timely assistance. Build resilience by linking beneficiaries to opportunities for skill enhancement. BISP is also working on it, and we would like to collaborate with the provinces because as we have introduced exit policy through this registration that we do after every 3 years, this is a new initiative. And now we have clubbed it with the skills training as well, so there is an exit policy as well. Build resilience by linking beneficiaries to opportunities for skill enhancement, income generation, and social inclusion. Our commitment to keep delivering this data as a public good for targeted programming will always be there. Together we can, and Again, I am addressing all the provincial representatives that we must be united. We must be, because it's a national thing. It's not about provinces, it's about Pakistan. And as a whole, provinces are made for administrative reasons, so that their administration is easily carried out. But ultimately, all the provinces come together. They must come together for a, I think, more stronger and more resilient Pakistan. So together we can transform information into action that reduces vulnerabilities, builds resilience, and enables every household in Pakistan to withstand both economic and climate-related challenges. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.